Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. For Indian markets, the strategy of buying on dips is delivering decent returns to short term traders, but positional traders are stuck with positions and they will get an exit if the market crosses the levels of 18,130. In case the Nifty breaks the level of 17,950, then the chances of retesting 17,800 would turn bright. However, while looking at the stock specific performance, we are of the view that the Nifty is ready to surpass the level of 18,130, and today we need to see that after opening lower whether the market sustains below the levels of 17,950 or not. In that case, we need to be seller if there is any bounce back during the day, but we have to keep stop loss close to 18,130 for creating any short positions. On the dismissal of 18,130, as we said, we should be buyer. So in the short term, the markets are completely tricky and we need to be more and more level based trader. FIs are selling in the cash segment, but they have also added some more put options on the FNO side. Also, they have reduced long positions on the futures and call options. So there they have taken bearish stance, and accordingly we need to be careful again based on FI's statistics on the option markets. Again, if we go through with sector specific performance, then IT companies failed to perform in yesterday's trading session. Nifty Bank was in the range, and we saw some profit taking at higher levels in metal companies. So it's a mixed reaction completely from the sectoral performance, and global markets are also currently in the on the downside. So broadly we are of the view that we should be careful if the market is breaking the level of 17,950. Global major factors like crude is heading towards the levels of 85-86. 10-year bond yield is around 1.4647, and dollar index is also trading above the levels of 94. So all these factors are not in our favor, and they are also going to cause some more weakness in the market. Broadly, 18,130 and 17,950 are the levels to watch out for, and based on that we can design our trading strategy. Below 17,950, as we mentioned, 17,800 is the first level to watch out for, and below that 17,750. That's all from my side for the day. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.